2019 Ram 1500 offers many new ways to get and stay connected with the award-winning 4th generation Uconnect system, including the first application of a 12-inch fully configurable touchscreen. Hey guys, I'm Sonia at WowWoodys Automotive Group, and I'm excited to walk you through some of the exciting new features customers will find in the 2019 Ram 1500. This is the most technologically advanced connectivity system available in any truck. We can display the navigation on this full 12-inch display right here. This display supports pinch to zoom, which is awesome. And you can also switch between 2D and 3D modes, which is really cool. It also features live traffic info to make sure you get to your destination efficiently. So it also has so many new super cool apps. You've got Wi-Fi so you can connect all of your devices. It also has a great new application called Assist that will answer any questions that you have about your vehicle. And in addition, it has the Send and Go app, which allows you to send destinations from your smart device to the built-in navigation, which is super cool too. All using the cellular connection that's built into this system. You can also download the Uconnect app to lock and unlock your vehicle, remote start your vehicle on a cold day, all from your smartphone or your smartwatch, such as your Apple smartwatch or your Android. This vehicle also features SiriusXM with 360 XL. This is a brand new and exclusive system just for this 12-inch media center. And what it does is it blends satellite radio, which you're familiar with, and cellular streaming, which comes free for the first year for additional channels. Plus, it allows you to search for additional content, and you can create profiles. So if multiple people drive your vehicle, each person will get recommendations based on their listening desires. To find that extra content, we have categories including music, sports, news, and talk. Sports is really easy. You can switch between the home crew and the away crew. So if we hit sports and we want to do the NFL, you can actually switch between the home team and the away team, which is really, really super simple. This whole system is so intuitive and easy to use. We also have news, so you have traffic and weather, which is fantastic if you live in LA, New York. It also has Kansas City on here as well. And then you also have talk radio, so if you don't want to listen to music anymore, you can listen to all kinds of different talk radio. You've got entertainment tonight, you get all kinds of stuff. I love that. So much fun. You also have music. Well, yeah, this is streaming music though, so this is different than your satellite stereo. This is on-demand music, so you can actually search for your favorite musician or your favorite songs, which is really cool. The other thing that I love about it is, let's say you're only using Sirius, you can scroll that all the way up to your audio source and have that as your top selection, so you don't have to fiddle with going through all of your sources to find it, which is really fantastic. And then you also have the ability to set up a split screen on here. So if I go home, I can actually have my heating and cooled settings up here, or I can choose to have my navigation up here, and then I can choose my phone. Let's say I want to make some phone calls, and then I can do that down here. So there's a lot of different options that come with having this amazing Uconnect system. This system also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so no one's excluded. You can view your Apple CarPlay on the top, so you can view your Apple CarPlay on the top, and you can view your travel link on the bottom. So super nice. You can also drag and drop the apps. If you want to use your Apple CarPlay all the time, you can drag that down here. So very simple, very intuitive. You have everything at your fingertips, which is fantastic. So besides this amazing 12-inch system, the brand new wireless charging system is also included in this truck. And it's as simple as just putting your phone in that nice little holder. Boom, it's charging. This is the Uconnect 4C nav system with the 12-inch display. It's the largest display available on any truck. And it's just one of the many reasons why this is the most technologically advanced truck on the market today. To schedule a test drive of this fantastic, amazing truck, just contact one of our friendly sales advisors. I'm Sonia. Until next time. Wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.